Hello, AP Computer Science Principal students, and welcome to another beautiful day of learning computer science in the digital classroom. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's question of the day: which type of programming statement includes Boolean conditions to determine the section of code to execute? Is it A, functions, also known as procedures or methods, B, complex, C, selections, or D, contrasting? Please take a moment to study your answer choices. Please pause the video if you need a few more moments. All right, hopefully you had an opportunity to study your answer choices. The correct answer is C. Selection criteria filter data and only process those records that meet the criteria. Make sure you go over to It's Learning, look for question of the day for May 6, 7, and mark C as your correct answer. Today's assignments: watch the daily overview video, which you're doing right now, and complete question of the day over in It's Learning. You are going to take the Unit 8 assessment. The Unit 8 assessment is OpenNote. It's not OpenNeighbor, but it is OpenNote, which means you can use the lesson, and there is no timer on it. There's also an extra learning opportunity, which is optional. So the extra learning opportunity is like a test, and it's 15 questions. This extra learning opportunity will replace your lowest summative grade. This opportunity will expire on May 22nd at 11:59 p.m. There is no extensions. Seniors should complete by May 15th so senior grades can be finalized. You can complete the extra learning opportunity for up to 3 times for the highest score. So basically what it is it's a question bank of 75 questions, and you're going to get 15 of them. So you'll get different questions each time, and I will take your highest score. If you have any questions, let me know. And then AP test: if you're registered for the AP test, you must upload your Create and your Explore projects to the digital portfolio through My AP Classroom. We need to get this taken care of this week so that you will receive a grade for the AP test. If you don't upload to the digital portfolio, then you will not get a score. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm available to you, and It's Learning. Have a great day.